Hello, my name is Greg from Motor Match Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. This fabulous Volkswagen Polo is available here in the very rare SE design version. Powered by an economical 1-litre BlueMotion engine and finished in this striking blue colour, it's an ideal first car for a new driver on the road, featuring the likes of daytime running lights to keep you illuminated on the road, and the car will even benefit from multi-spoke anthracite grey alloy wheels which really stand out. They're in a very good condition as well, and the boot space is absolutely cavernous, with the option of loading the rear seats down in a 60-40 split to create even more space. A variable boot floor is also available, and underneath there's even a space for underneath that for a space saver spare wheel as well. It might come in handy just in case. Passengers in the rear will enjoy loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3, with 2 Isofix Chad anchor points on offer. This striking design of the two-tone cloth seats carries on into the forward compartment with lighter accents, and the driver will enjoy a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Front sport seats will also be on offer, offering a more pronounced side bolster support, making them incredibly comfortable for both longer and shorter journeys further away too. Loads of adjustment is available in the seats for reach and rake, and there are even aluminium sports pedals as well as side seal door protectors when entering in and out of the cabin. Once in the driver's seat, the 3-spoke leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel is an absolute joy to use. It will feature volume controls as well as Bluetooth connectivity, and this TFT screen up ahead will display various functions such as fuel economy, music, and even operate Bluetooth contacts. In the center of the console, Composition Media Infotainment features a touch-sensitive touchscreen with physical shortcuts available on either side as well. You can enjoy both AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception with Bluetooth audio and connectivity streaming as well. Pairing your phone is also incredibly easy, and the setup function will allow you to optimize this car to individual tastes and needs. There's also a 6-speaker sound system and the option of upgrading to a mirror-link functionality, giving you access to Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Easy-to-use air conditioning will keep you cool for the summer months, and loads of storage, cup holders and even USB and auxiliary inputs will be available to charge your device and various media inputs as well. Leather-wrapped gear shift and handbrake also add to the premium feel and finish of this vehicle as well. RAC Extended Warranty is available on this vehicle. For more information about it or to arrange a test drive, please give us a call on 01270 864 408 or inquire online now. Many thanks for watching.